Hi everyone, Melissa here from Mo Creations, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa. Each week we give you a theme to work with. This week's theme was bench, and next week's theme will be flowers. So spring is on its way, and that's just the perfect theme for you to use and create some cards or whatever you'd like to create. All right, so let me just share the items that I am using for this card. I am going to use this art impression stamp set, and I'm using this image right here. I'm also using some paper from My Creative Time, and that's Hot Chocolate Season 2024, not just for winter season, but anyways, I'm using this right here. And then from Gina Marie Designs, I am using this one here, and I don't remember the name of this, but you can go over to her website. Maybe she still has it, I'm not sure, but this is the set that I'm using today. And so here goes this adorable card that I colored up using my Copics and maybe like Spectrum Noir markers or something. Not sure. I'm sorry, I did not save my markers, and I never think to really. I just put them away after I'm finished. But anyways, I thought they turned out pretty good. There were some areas that I thought I messed up on, and I tried to correct it. But I still like how it turned out. And so I used this for my bench card. As you can see, they're all sharing that bench there, just having a good old time, talking with friends. I thought that was just adorable. And there goes that friend's sentiment that I got from that same stamp set, if I didn't show you. But I thought this turned out just too cute. I really like it. Anyways, and there goes the die from Gina Marie, the paper from My Creative Time. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE to get 10% off your purchase from My Creative Time. And I did not finish the inside, but I will. But anyways, it's adorable. So if you have a time, make sure you enter into our collabs. If I didn't mention it, I also enter my project into Satin War Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood, as well as the other two ladies. Their links will be down below, and that's about it. So make sure, keep in mind, next week will be flowers, and I'm sure there are tons of us that can create something with a flower. All right, that's all I have for you, everyone. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.